elephant. Frog. Giraffe.
Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too. Yay!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Gigi? You okay? Yes, I'm okay. Today we're going to find all the letters in the alphabet into these lines.
Oh, wow!
Look at that. Woo! Like that. Look at that. Let's start with the alphabet. Apple. Apple. Butterfly. Butterfly. Cat. Cat. Dog. Dog. Elephant. Elephant. Frog. Frog. Giraffe. Giraffe. Hippo. Hippo. Ice cream. Ice cream. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Koala. Koala. Lion. Lion. Monkey. Monkey. Nurse. Nurse. Orange. Orange. Penguin. Penguin. Queen. Queen. Rabbit. Rabbit. Sun. Sun. Tree. Tree. Umbrella. Umbrella. violin. Violin. Watermelon. Watermelon. Xylophone. Xylophone. Yuck. Yuck. Zebra. Zebra. Let's find all the letters again. Apple. Butterfly. Cat. Dog. Elephant. Frog. Giraffe. Hippo. Ice cream. Jellyfish. Koala. Lion. Monkey. Nurse. Orange. Penguin. Queen. Rabbit. Sun. Tree. Umbrella. Violin. Watermelon. Xylophone. Yuck. Zebra. Oh, look at that! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z! Wow, amazing! We have the whole alphabet in here. And we found it into the slime. Exciting!
Oh yeah! And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful!